Good morning, class 11. Welcome back. So, we were in chapter number 9, sequences and series. Today, we'll discuss how to find the sum of n terms of some particular special types of series, which is neither an AP nor a GP. See, 5 plus 11, the difference is 6. 11, then 19, the difference is 8. 19 plus 29, difference is 10. You do not see any common difference, we do not find any common ratio. So this is neither an AP nor a GP. How to find the sum of n terms of such series? So consider this as equation number 1. Under this, I will again write the same series but moving one step ahead. यहाँ से 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 so on plus an minus 1 plus an. Okay. Now from the upper equation I will subtract the second one. So on subtraction the sign changes. तो क्या हुआ 5 plus 11 minus 5 6 19 minus 11 8 29 minus 19 10 41 minus 29 12 so on an minus 1 ये निकाल देंगे लास्ट में minus an. So if I see Sn minus Sn 0, right? Total number of terms were n. We have moved one position ahead. So total number of terms now are n plus 1, including this 5. Now forget this 5. Up to here we have n number of terms. Leave this an minus 1. And look at this series 6, 8, 10, 12. This is an AP. This is an AP. Total number of terms were n plus 1 because हम एक step आगे आ गए थे. We have moved one step ahead. Total number of terms were n plus 1. We have eliminated, we have kept that 5 aside, minus an aside. Now in this particular AP, number of terms are n minus 1 terms. On the left side of equality, what do I have? I have 0. So minus an comes this side. An. An means the nth term is 5 plus. Now this is an AP of n minus 1 terms. A is 6, common difference is 2. So n upon 2 means n minus 1 upon 2. 2a plus n minus 1, already n minus 1, so n minus 2 into d. D is how much? 2. 5 plus n minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2n minus 4 plus 12 plus 8. Can I take 2 common? I can take 2 common. Two taken common and 2 cancelled with 2. So we are left with n minus 1 into n plus 4. Let us multiply 5 plus n square plus 3n minus n plus 4 and 3n minus 4. N square plus 3n. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is our an. We have found an. Now children, sum of n terms is equal to sigma an. Summation sigma an. An is the general term. It means sigma of summation of n square plus 3n plus 1. So this is sigma n square plus 3 times sigma n plus sigma 1. This will give us the sum to n terms. Okay, ये मैं एक बार मिटा लेता हूँ. Okay, sigma sigma n square, sum of the squares of first n natural number, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, we have the identity. Sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus 3 times sigma n, sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 upon 2. You have discussed these in your previous classes. Plus sigma 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n times becomes n. Now can I take this 6 as LCM? So 1 upon 6 taken common. N into n, n can be taken common. N also taken common. So we have 2n square plus 3n plus 1 plus 2 goes 3 times, 3 into 3 9. 9 times n plus 1, 9n plus 9. 6 is the LCM. N taken common, 6. What are we left with? 2n square plus 9n and 3n becomes 12n. Then 1 plus 9, 10 plus 6, 16. Again 2 taken common. So n by 3 हो जाएगा, n square plus 6n plus 8. We can factorize this. On factorizing, this becomes n plus 2 into n plus 4 upon 3. So जो सीरीज आपको दे रखी थी, this is the sum to n terms of that particular series. Okay. So such series, they are neither AP nor GP. Let's see some more questions. Say you have find the sum of n terms of the series 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus 7 into 9 and so on up to n terms. So if we observe the first term 1, 3, 5, 7. This is an AP. A is 1 and D is 2. If you look at the second terms 3, 5, 7, 9. Again this is an A3. 3 is the first term. Common difference is 2. So जो nth term होगा इस sequence का, वो इसका nth term और इसके nth term का product होगा. तो an in this particular series, an will be nth term of the first AP. A plus n minus 1 into D. D is 2 multiplied by A plus n minus 1 into D. D is 2. 2n minus 2 plus 1. 2n minus 1. 2n minus 2 plus 3. 2n plus 1. A minus B to A plus B. A square minus B square. 4n square minus 1. This is the nth term, an. So Sn is equal to sigma an. That is sigma 4n square minus 1. 4 times sigma n square minus sigma 1. 4 times sigma n square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 minus sigma 1 is n. 2 goes 2 times, 2 goes 3 times. N can be taken common and 3 is taken LCM. क्या बचा? 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus 3 n upon 3 multiply कर दो 2n square multiplied by 2 4n square 3n multiplied by 2 6n 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 minus 3 4n square plus 6n minus 1. Can we factorize it? No, not simply possible, right? So this is the sum to n terms of this particular series, right? So you have some more questions based on this, and children, कितना भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर दो, यू कैन इजीली फाइंड द सम. से फॉर इंस्टेंस फाइंड द सम 1 into 3 into 5 plus 2 into 5 into 9 plus 3 into 7 into 13 plus 4 into 9 into 17 up to n terms. Now we see इसका a है 1 2 3 4, दिस इज एन AP, सो इसका a हो जाएगा n. सेकेंड वाले का nth टर्म 3 5 7 9, so a is 2, common difference is a is 3, common difference is 2, a plus n minus 1 into d. Third 5 9 13 17, 4 is the difference, a is 5, so a plus n minus 1 into d 4, so n into 2n minus 2 plus 3, 2n plus 1, 4n minus 4 plus 5, 4n plus 1. मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 4n into 2n, 8n square multiplied by n, 8n cube. 4n plus 2n, 6n multiplied by n plus 6n square. 1 multiplied by n is n. This is an. Now Sn is equal to sigma an, that is 8 times sigma n cube plus 6 times sigma n square plus sigma n. Okay. Now 8 times sigma n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square upon 4. 6 times sigma n square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Sigma n, n into n plus 1 upon 2. Right? 4 goes 2 times. 6 cancel with 6. What can be taken common? N into n plus 1 can be taken common. So here we are left with n into n plus 1 taken common, 2n into n plus 1 बच गया. 2n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1 taken common, 2n plus 1 left. Here n into n plus 1 taken common, 1 upon 2 बच गया. Now 2 can be taken LCM. n into n plus 1 upon 2. Multiply कर दो. 2 is taken LCM, so this becomes 4n into n plus 1. 4n square plus 4n. Next, 2 is taken LCM, 2n plus 1 plus 4n plus 2 plus 1. Now n into n plus 1 upon 2. 4n square. 4n plus 4n is 8n plus 3. We can factorize it. Can we factorize it? Yes, we can factorize it. 4n square plus 2n plus 6n plus 3. 2n taken common, 2n plus 1. 3 taken common, 2n plus 1. This is the sum to n terms. Try to solve the questions from NCERT. We shall discuss more in the next class.